Hello guys, you can call me Cypress and welcome to Cypress Tech Up. This is the one of my journey learning tech skills, starting with AI tools. Actually, I'm completely a beginner, but I only have my phone and I'm going to share everything I learn. The wins, the failures, all of it, I'm going to show it all. Here is what I'm doing. For the next 30 days, I'm using ChatGPT every single day to learn how it actually works, you know, not just basic stuffs. I want to see if I can use it to learn other skills. Do you understand? Automate tasks, maybe even make some money. Money is good actually. So today is day one. So let me show you what I'm starting with. First, I downloaded ChatGPT and it's actually free, which is perfect. Opening it for the first time. It's showing me to go to sign up, but I'm going to continue with Google anyway. I think the interface is pretty simple, easy to use. Yeah, I'm going for this one. Continue as Southwest Tech Hub. Yeah, so as you can see, I think I'm in. I just need to complete some certain things here. I think I'm in. So now, date of birth. Let me pick June. You confirm and let's dive into ChatGPT. I think my connection is somehow slow. I'm sorry about that. The interface is pretty simple. There is a text box, where you type your question. Let me start with something. Let me ask this. What can you help me with? Right now, it's explaining what it can help me with, and this is pretty bulky somehow. ChatGPT, like artificial intelligence, are very intelligent according to them. They are very intelligent actually. As you can see, it's explaining what it can do, writing, answering questions, brainstorming. That's a lot of things actually. So let me try some practical questions. Oh, sorry about that. Let me just try some practical, not questions. I'm making a mistake right now. So now, the first real test. I want to test if this actually helped me learn something useful. Let me ask if it teach me something, I've always wanted to know. Let me just ask how to, create a daily schedule that actually works. As you can see, it's giving me answer to my questions, and I'm sure it will be helpful because I've read a lot about AIs before starting this journey. So I asked for daily schedule that actually work, and this is what it gives me. Start with anchor not tasks. Wake up and sleep early. Identify your top 3 priorities. Meet tasks, the energy level, time block. Add a showdown routine. Keep it visible and simple. Examples. As you can see, it gives me both morning, midday, afternoon, and evening or end of the day routine. This actually makes a lot of sense to me. Yeah, it actually makes a lot of sense to me. Here is what I figured out after day one. The first thing is you have to be specific with your questions. When I asked fuzzy questions, I got fuzzy answers. When I got detailed, the responses were way better. That's number one. The second thing is you can have a back and forth conversation. It remembers what you said earlier in the chat. Do you understand? So you can build on previous questions, like what you've already told told it rather, so you can build on it. The third thing is, this is actually powerful. I can see how this could help me learning coding, create content, solve problems, and a lot more, especially in coding aspect. Anything digital, this can actually help you about that. Here is my plan for tomorrow. I'm going to test ChatGPT's ability to teach me actual coding. I want to see if a complete beginner can learn, Python basic using just AI and the phone. Actually, I think it's not possible, but I'm going to try. And also, I will try using it to help me plan my content for this channel. I actually need that actually. So tomorrow we are going to figure that out. And if you want to follow along with this journey, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm posting updates regularly. Also drop a comment, what you think I should try learn with AI. What do you want to see me test and all the stuff. Just drop the comment about your opinion about this journey. I'm Cypress Tech Up, and I will see you in day 2. Thanks.